Alrighty, guys. So I'm gonna try to burp. Get my can of Diet Coke because I cannot burp like Benton. And I'm just gonna shoot some hoops. Hope that doesn't fall. Alright, here we go. Oh my god, you should have seen that. Bounce from that one to that one. Let's try that. Let's try it again. I'm waiting for a burp to come on. Let's go outside. Things annoying. Are the people still here? I don't know if the people are still here. So I'm waiting for a burp. And, yep, they're gone. So, yeah, I'm gonna go on the trampoline. It's so wet. Hopefully this will, like, shake all the stuff up in my stomach. Woohoo! That's my parents' bedroom up there. And there's my neighbor. God dang it. This is really challenging. I need to get the soda. Maybe I'll go get, I'm gonna go inside, finish my Coke, and then go get another Coke. I just had a huge one, so I decided to make a video, and, just like, gaming area, just chug it. Okay, that's done. So let's just put it in my little stash. Let's go upstairs. Probably have a burp on my way upstairs. Okay. Entering the kitchen. Oh yeah, where is it? We got like this. We got like this outdoor projector thing. Oh my god, that sounded weird. Got this outdoor projector. It's upside down, I think. But it's an outdoor projector, so my dad can like get things. You can. I think they'll have them at Best Buy soon. There they are. But I don't really want one. I could have a Red Bull, but that was a pretty good one. Hi, kitty McWitty. Let's go outside. Okay. The fuck happened? I cannot burp as well as my brother. You know what? I think he's gonna have a homecoming. Like, he's gonna come and see the family for a little bit. But chewing my gum is annoying, right? This is all. I'm going to make this a really long video. I hope you watch it. I might need another Coke. My neighbor's dog is barking. Goodness. I'm home alone. Like, nobody's here. That is annoying. I wish the basketball was out here. I would shoot some hoops. But it's not out here. Oh my god. Look at the tires on these cars. That's cool. I can only like breathe it in once and then burp. So I have to breathe in a lot to make a big one. If you know what I mean. What's this? Newspaper? This is some good burning material. But I'm not going to make a fire. Instead, I'm just going to put it in my neighbor's trash bin. Thumbs up if that sounded super weird. Because I think that sounded really weird.